we have another super mom. She's back. We're doing quick and easy with our super moms, and Nicole Asiu is back in the building, and she has shrimp, and I'm getting excited because I love shrimp.
Hi, Joe.
How are you doing?
Thanks for having me back.
Yeah. So you do a range of things, and I know you eat healthy, and healthy is one of the things that you kind of promote.
Right.
Shrimp is as healthy as it gets. Nice, lean
Yes,
seafood.
and I mean, it's blackened shrimp tacos with a Mexican slaw, and the slaw is not dressed in a ton of mayo or anything like that.
Right.
And of course, your range of Caribbean Flavours spices.
Right. So you're going Mexican theme.
Yep.
Let's go.
So first we're going to marinate the shrimp, right? So we have a little smoked paprika, some onion powder, garlic powder. Of course, you can't have Mexican food without cumin or jeera.
Yeah.
We have a little that's thyme there, some oregano, and some chili powder. Right. Again, use as much or as little as you would like, and just a little bit of chili flakes.
For that heat.
That's right. We got to have a little bit of that.
Yeah. So it's a spice mix basically that you're putting together.
It is. Yep.
Using the full range of Caribbean flavors.
That's
spices.
right.
Yeah, nice.
So we just mix that together.
I love a spice mix,
And it's so easy.
Yeah. I experiment with sometimes I always decide, okay, let me use a different five spice and choose my own 5 spices and just put it together and see what I come up with. I love to experiment with spices.
So we're just going to add that to our shrimp.
Nice.
Give that a little stir. Just to get the shrimp properly coated. Right, so while that marinates, we're just going to mix together our slaw. So we have some very finely sliced red and green cabbage. Now, I mean, again, use whatever you have on hand. I like the mixture of red and green just for the difference in color. Right, so I've added some thinly sliced red onion as well, a chopped tomato, some jalapeno, a little cilantro, and some chives.
Nice.
So to this slaw, we're just going to add some olive oil, a little red wine vinegar.
Also, this is not a creamy slaw.
No, it's great. That's what makes it even healthier. Makes it healthy. Oh. And some cumin. Like I said, you have to have that cumin.
Right. Okay, so it's not a creamy slaw.
No,
it's like a vinaigrette type.
Yes. And there's really no set recipe to this. You can do it entirely to your taste. If you want more cumin, if you want more heat,
Use a different spice, put your own twist on it.
Yeah, and if you want a little bit more vinegar in it, it's entirely up to you.
Cool. Yeah. That's the slaw.
That's the slaw. That's it.
I was looking for the mayonnaise. But there's no mayonnaise here.
So, and in the short time that it takes to mix up that slaw, shrimp is now ready to be cooked. So you have to make sure that your pot is really hot because you want to get that really blackened flavor coming out. And you don't want to crowd the pan with the shrimp. Try and get it all in a single layer.
One layer, yeah. And that's the sound you want to hear.
That's right.
Shrimp doesn't take long to cook either, Nicole.
No, it doesn't. 5 minutes and you're done.
Quick and easy.
That's right. And Mexican food makes a weekly rotation in my household. My kids love it. Oh. They put everything in a wrap. I mean, whatever leftover meat there is, it goes in a wrap the next day. Everything.
Mexican makes a weekly rotation.
So much so that when they saw me doing this today, they insisted I have to do it tonight.
Very well. Smells great.
All right, so once the shrimp is a little pink on one side, just give it a flip. See, we have that nice blackened shrimp there. All right, 2 to 3 minutes on one side for the shrimp. Flip it, another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side, and that should be good enough. You don't want to overcook the shrimp. Here we have our taco boats. So
just now, how you get taco boats?
Oh.
Taco boats I'm normally see it flat. How you got them like boats?
Yeah, you've never seen them like this?
No.
Yeah, they come like this sometimes.
So they come like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's perfect.
They sell it like that?
Yep.
In the supermarket?
Yep.
Okay. I know the wrong taco. That's fantastic. I'm going to look for those.
So this is great. So we just put a little slaw in the bottom there. Shrimp is good and ready
And
now.
the shrimp is ready.
Put the shrimp on top there.
And you just pile shrimp on there.
That's right.
And this is as quick as easy as it gets, and looks
Isn't it?
It looks delicious, full of flavor. Oh my goodness.
And here we have a little dressing.
Right.
This is, I use sour cream, some chives, a little garlic powder, and smoked paprika,
Right,
lime
right.
juice, and of course salt and pepper.
All the Caribbean flavors in there.
That's right. Now I use sour cream because my preference is sour cream, but you can easily use Greek yogurt as well, or even mayo, if
Right.
that's what you have.
Yeah.
Squeeze of lime.
Freshen it up.
And a little cilantro for garnish. And some jalapenos.
Real Mexican vibes here.
Yep.
Real Mexican vibes.
And dinner is served. Let me not put that.
Look at that. Look at that. It almost looks too pretty to bite into. Hey, look at that. Fantastic. Blackened shrimp tacos, guys. And I'm going to look for these little taco bowls.
Yeah, taco bowls.
Taco bowls, I'm going to look for them. Thank you very much, Nicole. Nicole, once again, our super mom dropping by. All courtesy of the folks at Caribbean Flavours, a host of spices used to blacken these shrimp and make them so rich and flavorful. Can't wait to bite into it. Thanks a lot, Nicole.
Thanks for having me.